Substitutes for butter. What is butter? Butter is a dairy product made from the fat and water in milk. It's a common ingredient in many recipes, and it can also be used as a spread on bread or toast. Top 5 substitutes for butter. While butter is a delicious and versatile ingredient, there are times when it may not be the best option. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to butter, or simply want to change things up, there are several good substitutes that can be used in its place. Margarine as butter substitute. Margarine is a popular substitute for butter, as it is usually lower in saturated fat and calories. Look for brands that are trans fat-free and made with healthy oils such as olive or canola oil. Applesauce as butter substitute. Applesauce is a great way to add moisture to baked goods without using butter. It works well in cakes, muffins, and quick breads. Just be sure to adjust the other liquid ingredients in the recipe accordingly. Pumpkin puree as butter substitute. Like applesauce, pumpkin puree can be used to add moisture to baked goods. It also gives them a subtle sweetness and lovely fall flavor. Greek yogurt as butter substitute. Greek yogurt can be used in place of butter or oil in many recipes, including cakes, muffins, quick breads, and pancakes. Just be sure to use plain yogurt and not one that is flavored or sweetened. Avocado as butter substitute. Avocado can be used in place of butter when making brownies, cookies, and other desserts. It adds a lovely richness and creaminess to the finished product. Just be aware that it will also change the color of the food you're making. There are many other substitutes for butter that can be used in cooking and baking. If you're looking for a healthier option, or simply want to change things up, experiment with different ingredients until you find one that you like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.